In a daring operation, Israeli military personnel successfully rescued 4 Israeli hostages from Gaza on Saturday, following what they described as a complex daytime operation. The hostages, identified as Noah Argmani, 26, Almog Mirjan, 22, Andrei Kozlov, 27, and Shlomi Ziv, 41, had been kidnapped by Hamas militants during the Nova Music Festival on October 7. The operation, which took place in the heart of a civilian neighborhood, saw the hostages rescued amidst heavy gunfire. Israeli Army spokesman Rear Admiral Daniel Hagari described the rescue as challenging, with one Israeli soldier critically wounded in the process. The hostages, now in good medical condition, were promptly taken to the hospital following the rescue. Footage circulated on social media captured emotional reunions between the hostages and their families, underscoring the relief and joy felt across Israel. Defense Minister Yoav Gallant praised the recent hostage rescue operation in the Gaza Strip as one of the most heroic and extraordinary operations he has witnessed in his 47 years of service in Israel's defense establishment. In a statement issued following the successful operation, Gallant commended the collaboration between the Israel Defense Forces, the Shin Bet Security Agency, and the elite counterterrorism unit, Yamam. He highlighted the meticulous planning and seamless execution of the operation, describing it as daring and unprecedented. Gallant expressed gratitude to all the personnel involved in the operation, emphasizing the close coordination between the various security agencies. He credited their collective efforts for the successful outcome of the mission, which resulted in the safe rescue of 4 Israeli hostages from the Gaza Strip. Netanyahu also hailed the security forces for their daring mission to rescue 4 hostages in the central Gaza Strip. This rare rescue comes amid escalating tensions between Israel and Palestinian Hamas militants, with ongoing violence resulting in significant casualties on both sides. The rescue operation serves as a poignant reminder of the human cost of conflict in the region and the relentless efforts made to secure the safe return of Israeli citizens. However, the operation also underscores the broader context of the conflict, with Israeli retaliatory strikes in Gaza leading to further casualties and devastation. Recent Israeli strikes in the Nuseirat area have resulted in numerous casualties, drawing condemnation from Hamas and sparking renewed international concern over the humanitarian situation in Gaza.
שלומי. לב שלי, אתה גיבור, אתה מלך העולם של אשתך, כפרה, אני. מאמי שלי, אני אוהבת אותך. אתה גיבור.
מת עלייך, מאמי.
מה?
הוא באמת גיבור, מירן. והוא נראה מקסים, והוא מת עלייך, הוא בסדר גמור, הוא נראה מקסים.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.